SH Integrated is actually a full-fledged building contractor, and we mainly do new construction, additional and alteration works, and facilities maintenance. We upkeep the parks to tip-top condition, and this indirectly helps Singapore to being the garden city. We have established ourselves as the experts in provision of building integrated services. Our role here is not only to ensure occupant comfort, but also to make sure that we minimize the cost of emergency repairs and at the same time implement a superior facilities management program. Our challenge that we face is mainly on external collaboration, communication, and driving internal efficiency. We need a single point of reference to make sure all the breakdown cases are monitored live, and so that we can give live feedback to our customers. So this is very highly critical for our mobile operations. With SAP Service Cloud for Customer, real-time status updates, extensive analytics, and even administrative automation helps us to streamline our processes and help to drive internal efficiency as well. From the management to service delivery employees, this helps to bring our service delivery to the next level. And we even see productivity savings of about $15,000 a month. There is also service life monitoring until all breakdown cases are closed. So with this function, we can always make sure that all the facilities in the park should work the way they should at all times. With this information, our agents can identify the root cause of the problem and follow up accordingly. Our journey to provide service excellence does not stop here. With SAP solutions, SH Integrated will continuously improve and deliver outstanding support for our clients. I'm Richard Chua, Senior Project Manager. SH Integrated runs live with SAP.